everyone, welcome back to Code with Johnson. So today we're going to talk about the function in Python. So this video will be short. But before starting, please like my video, and if you are still new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Good. So we're going to talk about function in Python, right? So I want to go inside my folder named Python. Functions in Python is like a very simple thing. You need to know. You need to understand the function. Once you understand function, you will build your code in a block section. So it will be easy for you to use the same code in another file, something like that, and it will be good. So let me open my browser and then look for some documentation, show you how it will work. So Python documentation. So we're there, and we will take a look at. You can download even the documentation if you want, but I just want to go through the most important thing we're going to do today. So we are looking for the function. So we have a number, we have if. I think we have already seen if, and this is a function range, but we need a function, more defining a function. Good. So now this is how you can create a function. So to create the function in Python, it's very easy. So to create it, we'll use the keyword named def, like a definition, something like that, and then give a name to your function, and then after giving a name, then you can build your code in the block following the indentation. So Python is very different from other programming language. For example, other programming language can use something like parentheses or like bracket, something like that, but in Python it's like indentation. So I will explain to you in Visual Code. So let me open up my Visual Code. So let me open my Visual Code with yes, no way, I didn't want to open it like this. I want to open in a particular folder.